With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so let us solve this problem. We are given with, in a common base transistor amplifier, the input and output resistances are 500 ohm and 40 kilo ohm, and the emitter current is 1.0 milliampere. Find the input and the output voltages, and we are given the value of alpha. It is a 0.95. So basically we are having a transistor amplifier in common base configuration. Base is common. The input and output resistances are 500 ohm and 40 kilo ohm, that is 40,000 ohm. The emitter current is 1 milliampere. Input and output voltages need to be calculated, and we are given with alpha, which is equals to 0.95. so we will make use of this also. Actually, the simplified version of this question has been drawn by me already for you below the question. Just below the question, I'm talking about this figure only. Actually, this box is a schematic representation of amplifier with a alpha, that is current gain, of 0.95. okay, so this is the input part and this is the output part. Input resistance is clearly mentioned as 500 ohm and output resistance is clearly mentioned as 40 ohm. We need to calculate the input and output voltages. So obviously, to calculate the voltage which is present here, that is input voltage, or to calculate the voltage which is present here, that is output voltage, by the using of Ohm's law, we just need the output current and output resistance. Similarly, we just need input current, we are going back way here, and input resistance. We are very well provided with the input resistance and output resistance as well. So our job is just to find the currents that is present in input and then which is present in output. So this is one of the current, 1.0 milliampere. This is the emitter current, and we must know that in common base configuration, the emitter current is nothing but the input current. So input current is simply 1.0 milliampere. So yes, now we are ready to go to find the voltage in input section. Okay, prior to that, let's move on to solve this anomaly, that what is the value of IO, output current. Actually, the output current is nothing but the amplification multiplied by input current. Okay, so let us solve this thing in a little bit clear way. So I naught is nothing but alpha times I input, and we can clearly see alpha is 0.95 multiplied by 1.0 milliampere, which will turn out to be 0.95 milliampere. Okay, so now we need to calculate VI and VO. So for VI, the formula will be, as V is equals to IR, so it will be II input current multiplied by input resistance. It was 1 milliampere multiplied by 500 ohm. So that would be, if we solve the milli, that would be 10 raised to power minus 3 multiplied by 500, and as this is voltage, so this will be in volts. So on solving, we will be getting 0.5 volt. So this is the input voltage. So in the similar fashion, we can calculate for VO, that is output voltage, which is simply the multiplication of output current and output resistance, which is 0.95 milliampere multiplied by 40 kilo ohm. So on solving, we can get 0.95 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 10 raised to power plus 3 as we solve kilo, and this all will be in the volts, and after solving we will be left with the 38 volts. So the final answers are 0.5 volt and 38 volt for the given question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.